Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can check if YouTube channel is monetized or not. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open this website. Is this channel monetized.com? So let me refresh or let me search. Is this channel monetized? Open this website. Here you need to put the link of the channel that you want to check. So I'm going to open YouTube. So I'm going to show you two channels of myself. Okay, so let me search for the channel. Okay, that is not monetized. And then I'm going to show you this website is legit or not. Open this website. So I'm going to copy the link and paste here, and let me check that. So here you can see that this channel is not monetized, and let me show you. So here you can see that this channel is not monetized, as you can see. So now I'm going to show you another channel of myself that is monetized and what this website show to me. So let me select another channel, and that is okay. So we are going to check this channel. Let me show you this channel. As you can see, this channel is monetized. So let me show you this channel is monetized or not. So this is a channel, and go into the analytics, and here you can see that this channel is monetized. So this is a process by which you can check if YouTube channel is monetized or not. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.